No, she was gonna make a decision. Did you make a decision?
Oh my
She's asking her about the baby. I said, Jesus Christ of
That's
Nazareth.
a woman.
Saying, did your boyfriend leave the girlfriend he was having for you? I said, what?
Oh my God.
And then she was like, I'm still sorting it out. The girlfriend said, I'm still sorting it out. Saying, oh, okay.
I wish you the best. I wish you the best.
So the father also of the lady was there because he joined them later on, and now she's pissed off the father that my daughter is dating someone and I don't know, and I don't like this idea of her also staying by herself. And stuff like that.
Oh, the daughter stays by herself.
Yes, that's where okay, fine. The dinner gets done. They meet in the bathroom, the girlfriend and the wife, and the girlfriend is like, as my nurse, aren't nurse supposed to be confidential about stuff like that? You have a running loose mouth.
Oh my God.
What wife but not loose than you?
Oh my God. Change. Yeah. Drama to drama.
What? My mouth is not looser than you.
Oh my God.
I'm actually sorry. I didn't know it was a secret that you're keeping from your parents.
I thought.
I thought
own you.
Yes, and I thought the husband would have left his wife for you since you're pregnant and all.
Since you're pregnant.
Saying that's man, my dear child, you're still young.
You won't understand.
You understand. And then she left. She scored a big one for that. Then she left with her family and said, baby, let's go with our son to our home.
Adding the cherry.
And then they went home. She was fuming, the girlfriend. She was texting him, calling him. No. She's not answering because she's in a tight spot. And the wife is loving her husband extra today.
She's loving darling.
Right? And they get home, whatever. The girlfriend is pissed off. Guess what she does? She goes to their home. Rings the doorbell. The husband opens, it's his girlfriend. Can you fucking imagine if you were home with your wife and the doorbell goes off, you open the door, it's your girlfriend.
You'll be like, what are you doing here? What are you doing here?
He lost his mind. He got outside, he's like, what the fuck? She was like, you're not answering your phone. And I need you to make a decision because what the fuck is this shit?
Oh my God. I'm sure the wife saw them.
No, the wife didn't, but she had a feeling because she didn't come out. Whenever they talk and he's like, I'm going to follow you, go home, I'm going to meet you at our place. And then she leaves Nyan. And then he tells the wife that I need to go work thing, and then he leaves. And then the girlfriend is like, you need to leave me alone. I'm going to fucking kill this baby. You need to either leave your wife or be done with me. I'm done with this shit. Fine. He goes back home. And everything is fine. He's still cheating. He's still trying to appease the girlfriend and the wife at the same time. But the wife is looking into it how to divorce him. Right. And then the wife, the lawyer advises her to go and check their accounts and try to divide money now. Like use it for something. Buy something. Yeah. So Nyan, she goes to the bank. They have joint accounts and stuff like that. She goes to the bank. And she's like, I want to see the... Guess fucking what? You won't believe this shit.
Oh my gosh.
He bought a house for that girlfriend on the doctor's money.
You. Kesana.
He bought a fucking apartment for her.
Sure.
Got her a credit card that gets paid by the doctor's money.
Oh my God.
She thought it's his credit card for work and whatever.
And it's him money. So this girl is living off you?
An apartment and a credit card.
And I'm sure she doesn't even have a credit card.
That she's using to buy whatever the fuck she wants.
The one that I'm waiting for. Oh, I'm sure. She realized
she couldn't believe her fucking eyes.
Obvious. Imagine.
And he took this thing. There's this thing called the return insurance. I don't know what the fuck they call it there. Something insurance on their son. So they say that he takes an insurance for 200,000 rands, right? So how this works now? He pays for the insurance, ne? And he gets a credit to use on that 200 rands while the son is still alive. So if you had 200,000 rand of insurance, ne? You can still use that money. But by the time your son dies or whoever, and they'll give you the remaining amount.
Oh wow!
So he took a lot of money using it for the girlfriend and whatever. Hey,
you Kestan, I'm just.
The wife wanted to perish.
Yeah.
And then she finds out that his company also is not doing any money because every money that comes in that company, he's using it to spend on the girlfriend, on these vacations and the what. It was clear as the day that this man also loved this girlfriend.
He does, yeah.
He loved the girlfriend and he was comfortable with her because this is what they've built at home. But he loved the girlfriend. You could see, but this girlfriend is not gonna go anywhere.
She's not. She's there.
she couldn't believe her eyes.
Oh my God! Even me too. Hi, Bo.
She checked their savings and stuff like that. The money he had used, this guy, she was shocked. Fine. She tries to gather whatever is remaining and stuff like that, and then she wants to find out like how much is he gonna get on this investment so she can take that. When that money comes in, he won't fucking make any moves. She can take it. Right.